Hello, family. Welcome back to the Hillside Homestead. Just giving you a quick rundown, update of what you can be growing in your garden. What I wanted to remind you first is that you do not have to grow what everybody else is growing. Grow what you and your family like to eat. If you don't like collard greens, grow broccoli. If you don't like broccoli, grow some spinach. Grow what you and your family like to eat. The Bible says that in Genesis chapter 2, after the Lord blesses the Sabbath day which he made, he blessed it and he sanctified it. He went on and told how he made man from the dust of the ground. And I think that's why the ground, the soil, is so important for our food and vegetables. We come from the dirt, so our food grows from the dirt. But I got off the subject here about growing what you and your family like to grow. I told you in the last video, about how you can use totes or pots to grow your food. I want to remind you, as a viewer asked me the question, please put in holes at the bottom of your pots if they don't have holes, or in your totes. You can put them from underneath, you can make holes underneath, or you can put them in the size maybe about an inch up so that your plants don't become, your roots don't become water bound. So I just wanted to remind you that grow what you like to eat. That is very important because we don't want to waste food. You can always share it, but your family you want to enjoy that food that your family that you give your family. So from the Hillside Homestead, once again, make it a great day. God bless you, and you be a blessing to someone else. See you next time.